Hey guys, hope you all have been well. Welcome back to my channel. Today's going to be a quick video. I'm just going to be showing you a tutorial using the Colourpop Bare Necessities palette, and this is going to be a Valentine's inspired makeup theme. So I've got a lot of pink going on. My top is pink. However, I wanted to kind of zhuzh up the look a little bit, and so I decided to go with something smoky but also hazy. So it's kind of like you can't tell where one color starts, where it ends. It's just kind of like a foggy, smoky mess of glam. So if you're interested in this eyeshadow look, I hope you decide to stay tuned because we're going to get straight into the tutorial. Alright guys, thank you so much for joining me in this quick makeup tutorial for Valentine's. I hope you enjoy it. I hope that if you have this palette, you can pull it out and maybe try this look and see if it's going to fit your Valentine's Day event, occasion. And if not, I hope you just decide to wear it and, you know, add it to a list of ways you can use and implement this palette. So a full list of products would be listed down below for everything that is on my face, eyes, face, lips. It'll all be listed down below. But if you're interested in any of my other makeup looks, be sure to check me out on Instagram. First link in the description box down below, where I post a photo of all my makeup looks along with all the products in the caption. Till the next video, I hope you all are doing well, taking great care of yourselves. I will see you all next time. Bye guys.